Okay, this is Holiday Lights. Welcome back to another vlog. Oh boy.
Yeah, movie out, sir. Don't worry. It's a bit.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Woohoo! Happy holidays!
Happy holidays.
Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another vlog, and today we are here again in Casa Loma entrance. अभी आप देखेंगे और Christmas light show है. Last vlog जो आपने देखा था वो Christmas Casa Loma के inside था, that was indoor, और उसके अंदर जो है वो holiday Christmas की decorations वगैरह involved थी. लेकिन ये जो है इसमें holiday lights show हैं, तो we're gonna just explore and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. And here we are in look at him, Nutcracker. Hi. Thank you. Look at this, Christmas bunnies. Can we go a little closer? Is it okay?
Who are you talking to?
I thought he's gonna talk, but they are not allowed. Yeah, like Christmas lights type things and holiday lights and these decorations, because these things belongs to holidays spirit.
Just
Meaning Christmas trees and all that. So I will try showing you every possible thing. ये सारी lights जो हैं, oh my god, they really paid attention to every detail. Everything looks so beautiful. ये holiday lights का जो show है ये Christmas, I mean New Year के बाद भी चलता रहेगा, so you must watch this. अच्छा, इसकी ticket separate है, उसकी ticket already $100 we paid, and this is separate, so we paid $60, 30 each. So it's outdoor.
You have to follow the path. Yeah.
Up. Look at him. A walking snowman. Hello. Oh, he's so sweet. Up. So this is indoor stuff. What is snow? What is snow?
Nutcrackers.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Ooh, really beautiful. It's worth coming, man. Oh, there's a unicorn. All right.
When it's nice and cold, I can hold you.
Small Christmas decorations, small holiday. Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, these are amazing. Wow. We're for animal life. Yeah, we're for animal life.
We're again outdoor.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Good job, really. Yeah, let's get our heads on. Hats on.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
That's
you can
Casa
get-
Loma again behind.
Yeah,
People are having a concert there. We'll go there
yeah, we'll
in a
find
minute.
way out.
Yeah, the trees, they really decorated the trees really well.
Change the music.
Fire.
Wow, thanks for coming out to Holiday Lights. We really appreciate each and every one of you coming here. Up next is my favorite part of the show. It's a full 45 minutes of my Christmas poetry. You're not leaving till 8. Years to learn, seconds to learn, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. Triple. Oh yeah, that was 3.5. Good enough. At the end of the show, I eat the fire. Now, folks, there we go. I could probably eat the fire now. You'd say that was a fun little show, but we don't want you coming to Holiday Lights saying that was a fun little show. No, we want you coming here and saying, you know what, that fire guy tried his hardest for us. So I'm going to do a big balancing stunt for you good people here. I'm going to get up onto my case. Try to angle it so as many people can see. I'm going to balance on a tube and on a board. While up here, I'm going to attempt to juggle 3 flaming torches while also spinning one on my face. Sound good? Yeah! All right, now no word of a lie. I broke my wrist attempting this trick a few years ago. Because of that, after the fire alarm, I play dangerous sounding music. No more time to get serious. Time to constipate.
I'm doing it for real, man. Ooh, be careful, man. Ooh.
Now, the real reason I'm here this evening, it's time for me. How many people think I can do this? Good people. How many people don't think I can do this? Bad people. How many people want to see me fall for TikTok?
Oh.
That's Generation Z. All right, folks, I do this stunt. After this, I eat the fire. Oh, yeah. Camera's ready. Let's do it. Now, folks, if I could eat the fire now, you'd probably say you came to an event called Holiday Lights. And if I didn't try my hardest to hit that theme on the head, well, I wouldn't feel good about myself. So check this out. Ready to see something cool? check this out. Yeah. Digital fire. Fire 2.0. And it changes to blue fire. It changes to pink fire. It changes to... What comes after reindeers? It's Santa. Well, Merry Christmas, everybody! Less than a week away. We live in a beautiful world. And I gotta say, you made me feel like I'm a star here tonight. And we are the one and only Holiday Lights. Brought to you by Casa Loma.
Nice advertisement.
Nice. Time for you to eat the fire. Oh, yeah. Fire eating. It's come true. Can we all come together and do a nice hand clap, clap? Yeah. Louder, faster. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Thanks a lot for watching on the Fire Guy Out Jedi. Well done!
Woohoo!
Beautiful night here at Holiday Lights.
Happy holidays!
Oh, Sheriff! There's Dazzling Darren, the tall toy soldier, the most photographed person in all of Casa Loma. At 20 past the hour, there's a magic show coming up as well. Spencer Skur, the magician, fantastic. Oh yeah. Thanks, man.
Great job.
Thank you. Time management.
Hey, what's this?
Carolers, I'm so sorry. Amazing.
Oh, carolers.
Amazing carolers.
Look at him.
And the mountain high, echoing their joyous strains.
How you doing? Hey, want to get on the shirt? You know what? I'll show you.
Let's take a picture with him. जी, so this is end of the show, end of my vlog as well. और अब हम लोग घर जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह. हो सकता है यहाँ से कहीं और भी निकले, I'm not sure, but right now the show is over. और it was a nice experience. यहाँ पे आई थी, पहले मैं Halloween के लिए आई थी, as I mentioned in my earlier vlog, and इस दफ़ा जो है हम holidays के लिए आए, holiday lights and Christmas lights. So it was beautiful event. Hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe, follow me, and share this video. और अगर कुछ भी अच्छा लगा तो comment me down below, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye.
We have to get out. We have to move out.